am Fayal and once again back with SkyMet Weather Report. Let's quickly find out what's happening in the country, starting with the wind patterns. The western disturbance over Jammu and Kashmir is moving in the eastward direction, and the cyclonic circulation over Punjab is likely to become insignificant by tomorrow. The wind pattern in North India will come back to normal with northwesterlies blowing over the plains. Northeast India will receive moist winds, but central India will have strong and dry westerly winds. Moving on to clouds, tomorrow weather will be cloudy in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Some clouds could also be seen over Delhi NCR. Northeast India and adjoining West Bengal will also have rain-bearing clouds. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala will have scattered clouds. Let's take a look at rainfall now. Tomorrow, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh will have fairly good thunder showers. Light rain is likely over the northern plains, including West UP. Northeast India and adjoining West Bengal will continue to have a rainy weather. The southern tip will also have some light rain. Moving on to temperatures, beginning with northeast and northeast India. Day temperatures will remain in low 30s in North India and increase as we move eastwards. Several places in Bihar and Bengal will be hot and humid with maximums around 38 degrees. Minimums in northern plains will be around 18 degrees. Nights are becoming warm in East India and Northeast India with minimums in the range of 21 to 25 degrees. Maximum in Delhi will be 33 while minimum temperature will be 22 degrees. In Kolkata, maximum and minimum will be 37 and 26 degrees respectively. Moving on to central India, temperatures are soaring in this part of the country with maximums around 38 degrees. Hot and dry winds seem to be aggravating the situation. A marginal drop is expected in Nagpur but wouldn't be much of a relief. Night will bring much relief with minimums in low 20s in entire central India. Maximum and minimum temperatures of Bhopal will be 38 and 22 degrees respectively. In Bhubaneswar, maximum and minimum will be 40 and 24 degrees. Let's take a quick look at South India now. Hot and humid conditions prevails in the interiors of South India with maximums in the range of 38 to 41 degrees. The coastal areas will be better off with maximums in the range of 33 to 35 degrees. Night will also be warm in entire South India with minimums in mid-20s. Maximum and minimum of Mumbai will be 34 and 23 degrees respectively. Bangalore will have partly cloudy skies with maximum and minimum at 36 and 22 degrees. That was today's weather update for India. For more info on weather and weather-related topics, look through our website skymetweather.com.